everyone, it's Bert from Disgruntled Bet Investments. Today we're going to be doing another weekly stock watch list. So today, I was looking at my ETFs that I go over. I've stuck to only trading these select ETFs that are future based. That's just my personal preference. But yeah, so I haven't found a whole lot to pick from this week. I think I'm just going to stick to DGAS and DRIP. So DGAS runs off of, oh no, it doesn't run off of this. Yeah, it does. So DGAS runs off of /NG, the natural gas future. And I know in my last watch this video, I called out UGAS, which is the inverse. We bought it when it was down here. We weren't able to lock in the most profit. I sold, let's see, got out a little earlier than I should have, but you know, hindsight's 20/20, and you never know. You never know what it's gonna do. So I'm glad I locked in some profit. I got in right around this area at 56.41, I think was the exact price, and I got out at 58.34, 35-ish. I was just looking at this right here, this kind of resistance area. Shouldn't have got out. I missed out on a potential 16.9% profit. That would have been nice, but you know, it's always good to stay green. Make sure you're locking in profits. This week, however, as you can see, this is up at a resistance area. So we're going to hope that natural gas is going to fall. This is the bullish ETF, and DGAS is the bearish ETF. So we're going to hope that this can push down, and we can hopefully make it back down to here, if not further. And we're just going to ride that out. I think it looks good. We can check out DGAS right now. It did break its resistance. However, DGAS is a decaying ETF, meaning eventually it's just gonna keep going down as natural gas goes up. But I don't play off of this chart as much as I do the natural gas itself. So regardless of what the DGAS chart looks like, if natural gas is bearish and is going down, DGAS is going to go up. So I play off of the futures charts more than the ETFs themselves. So hopefully we can see a nice push down. So I like to look at the RSI, and the RSI it looks bearish from here. The MACD is kind of iffy. I'm not really sure about that, but it is at this resistance area. It might push up a little bit. That's why we're just going to wait and we're going to watch and see what happens. I'm big on waiting for confirmation just to make sure that we don't have a lot of losing trades. But yeah, so what I'm seeing here is it looks like this 15 EMA or exponential moving average is going to break below the 20 SMA simple moving average. And I like that. Usually when they cross over either bullish or bearish, it's a good sign of a reversal. Right here you can see they crossed over and we had this big breakout. Right here they crossed, and then it moved up around 6%, which is pretty good. My weekly goal is 2.5%, equaling 10% a month. I think I can do pretty good with that. And right here, as we see, the RSI is kind of consolidating, pushing down a little bit. It doesn't look like it has much strength. I really like the RSI. I know it's very accurate in my opinion. It's great for spotting reversals before they happen. So I have a good feeling about this. I did trade DGAS on Friday for a day trade, made around 1.5% on it to end the week. I did okay last week. Could have done better, but I ended the month green. I ended the week green, and I'm happy with that. I'm trying to build some consistency in my trades. But yeah, so we're gonna keep an eye on that. And the next ticker that I'm looking at is DRIP, which is the inverse of Gush. And you can see right here we're at the support area. So hopefully I can get this EMA to start maybe curling up and pointing in an upward direction, showing that it has more strength that way. So basically what the EMA is it's a moving average of the price over the whatever time period you pick. So this is 15 exponential. This is the 20 simple moving average, and then I have these other ones. I believe this is the 200. This is the, let's see, 100, and this is the 50, I think. Oh, oops. Yeah, and that's a 50. So those are better for long term. These ETFs are more range based, so they kind of stay neutral. That's why I like the shorter term moving averages. And as we can see here, the RSI is making higher lows. It looks like it bottomed out around where it has been bottoming out. So it looks good to me. The MACD also, we might want to wait for that to start curling up. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at for next week, or not next week, this week. Hopefully we can get a push on both of these. This one I'll probably get in around 595, and hopefully we can ride it up to maybe this area. It's probably where I'll lock in at least half profits. If we can push up to here, that would be good too, because this has been making lower highs. So if we can hit somewhere in around this area, I'll probably lock in profits. So hopefully we can get that. But yeah, so we had a good week last week. Hopefully we can keep that continuing. You guys have any tickers or stocks you want me to break down? Leave it in the comments. I'll try and get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about anything stock related, just let me know. Yeah, leave it in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.